Today we're gonna make pasta with bell pepper and olives in Alfredo sauce. Making Alfredo sauce, we need half cup of grated cheddar cheese, 2 tablespoons of maida, 1.5 cup of milk, 1 cup of water, some mixed seasonings and butter. So to make Alfredo sauce, we first need to switch on the gas. Then let the saucepan heat up a little. We'll add 2 tablespoons of butter in it. Let the butter melt. Let the butter melt a little bit. So we see that the butter has heated up a little. Now we're gonna add the 2 tablespoons of maida in it. We're gonna mix it very well. We're gonna roast it a little bit in butter on slightly higher heat. So we see that maida is sauteed. Now we're gonna add milk. We mix it very well and we make sure no lumps are formed of maida and milk. After mixing milk, we need to add the cheese to the mixture. We'll be needing approximately 1.5 cup of cheese. We're going to add it in the mixture and turn on the heat a little bit. We're going to mix it. We're going to mix it nice and slow. To put it on a slightly higher heat so the cheese melts very easily. You can see the mixture started to boil. Now we simmer the mixture. And we're going to add our water. It's a cup of water. You can add how much density you can want in the mixture. Then we're going to mix it. After completely mixing the mixture, we leave the mixture for boiling on simmer. And after leaving on a simmer mixture, we're gonna add mixed herbs to the mixture. This is gonna give the sauce its taste. A tinge of mixed spices, salt to taste, and a tinge of black pepper. Now we have to take this saucepan off the heat, put it on another stove on simmer heat. It's gonna continue to boil. It's finally attaining this thick and creamy texture. And at this stove, we'll put it in a fry pan, a wok. We'll heat it a little bit. We'll add a little bit of olive oil to the pan, just for sauteing the vegetables. Spread evenly on the pan, nice and even. You can see the mixture is starting to boil in this thick texture. You can stop it according to the heat and texture you want. we'll wait for the oil to heat up. Making pasta, we'll need freshly grounded garlic, some amount of olives, and half chopped yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper. You can see the oil is heated. Now we'll add our freshly chopped garlic to it. We're gonna mix it evenly. Simmer the heat. Just when you saute it, you're gonna add your bell pepper. You saute it. You want to saute it for about 1 minute or so. Now we're going to add our olives to it. We're going to mix it really well. And we're going to add our mixed spices to it. After a minute or so, when the vegetables have been sauteed, you're gonna add your pasta. I have used penny pasta. You could use twisted or spaghetti also. You're gonna add it to the mixture. On simmer heat, you're gonna add a cup of pasta to it. Depending on how much do you want the quantity. You're gonna add the pasta. You're gonna mix really well. After mixing your boiled pasta, you saute it for half a second, and then you're gonna add your Alfredo sauce. And then you mix. You mix it nice and even. Slightly turn on the heat a little bit. Then you mix. Add the remaining cheese. Mix. Then we're gonna add black pepper, a little bit, some chili flakes, then we mix. Now basically the pasta is ready now, but now you just have to stop according to the consistency of the sauce you want. You want it thick, you want it saucy, you have to stop according to that. Now the pasta is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye and have a nice day.